Welcome back to Hollow's Garage. As you know, I'm Bo, and one second, make sure we're recording here. I'm actually, yeah, we're recording. I'm actually, my GoPro died, or it was actually out in the truck, and I decided to do this just on a whim here. I was out cleaning the garage, trying to clean this thing up on my vacation and trying to make sense of this garage. And realized I had this welder here, and I haven't even opened it yet because I was going to make this video. I still haven't got me a welding tank, gas tank for it yet, but I can go ahead and do the unboxing part and shoot that, and we'll shoot that other part later, and it'll seem seamless to you guys. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. It is a, I guess, Azzuno inverter style welder. MIG welder, of course. Honestly, I don't even remember a lot about this thing because I bought it at Christmas time, and I planned on opening it a long time ago. Wow, yeah, I'm unprepared, ain't I? Let's get this thing out of here. Oh, goodness gracious. Some gas line, MIG torch. MIG torch. From what the let's see here. Yeah, I'll have to look that up here in a few and see exactly what all this thing does. I know it is multi-process to a point. I know it is MIG and stick, but I don't think it's TIG. But I don't remember at all. So we do have a. Let's just go ahead and open this one up here. We've got the machine itself. Called Azzuno 200F welder. Here's the machine itself. Got the little door here where your spool and your wire feed is. The controls up front. Lug for one of the leads on it. And we have got the MIG lead here. From what I've read, this is really the only complaint that people have about this machine, is the gun here. So, but they say you can go to just go to any like a welding supply shop and get a lot better. It's pretty standard. The fitting here is pretty standard, and you can go get a better gun for it. Got a little bag of tips and stuff here. A little wrench for those. Drive roller and some other tips in the instruction manual. Here is the ground. It looks like ground. Let's look here. Yeah, there's the ground and the stinger for the stick welding part. And we have an adapter if I don't run it on 110. Let's at least plug it in. How about that? I mean, I've got an extension cord right here. We can at least plug it in and see what kind of lights come on. Let's try that part out at least. Let's make sure it at least comes on, right? I've been wanting to do this unboxing video, but I just hadn't yet because I really wanted to get a tank for it. But I haven't been able to yet. Hey, don't be on yet. Turn that off, back off for now. So on the back end, we've got the power switch, of course the power line going in, and we have the gas line going in. I guess as you guys seen recently, I did the unboxing and assembly video on the Vulcan welder cart here. The get you guys over here and refamiliarize you guys with that thing. Here it is. There's my garbage from what I just unboxed. But it's, I haven't used it yet. It's dirty as I don't know what, but I haven't used it yet. Let's go ahead and reach back here and flip the switch on this thing. If I can find it blindly. There we go. Flip the switch. And of course, y'all know with the refresh rate, these lights are not blinking, but they are blinking on the camera. So awesome. Yeah. Well, so far everything seems okay. You got all your adjustments here for everything. Yeah, it seems pretty okay right now. But haven't got to use it yet. I will hopefully get to use it soon. But I wanted to go ahead while I was out here cleaning up the garage and at least open it and get rid of this box that's been sitting here on this workbench forever now, since Christmas. Well, it's been sitting there since probably January. Little storage there for maybe tips and stuff. That's cool. So yeah, I just wanted to at least go ahead and unbox it, get it set on the cart, and try to clean up my shop a little bit. So, like I said a while ago, you guys will see. I will finish this video. I'll go get me a tanker at some point and finish this video, and it'll seem seamless to you guys.
Well, you guys, I know in the video I said I was going to get me a tank and finish that video and actually do a physical review on this thing, but I still have not done that. I've been trying to find me a tank on Marketplace for cheap and then get it filled and all that, but just haven't had any luck with that yet. And the holidays coming up and everything, my priorities and everything are just not on getting that tank right at the moment. So I just wanted to go ahead and add this little clip in here in the end and just explain to you guys. I'll get that done later, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video made and upload, at least let people see. If somebody's looking to buy a welder, they can at least see what they can expect in the box and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. Hope you'll have a wonderful day. I'm currently sitting here at the office, at the shop. Let's see here on my phone, and just sitting out here watching the traffic go by on the interstate here in Chattanooga. Just sitting here waiting to get some work. Yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, wonderful holidays, stay blessed, find some more to go to church this week. Love you guys. See you later.